Morning guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video on the little zetec replica Fiesta. In today's video we're going to sort this rear quarter, get it primed and everything. I just dragged it out, give the car a clean, well I say clean, I just jet washed it down. I knew I had a little ding in this front wing, but where it was so filthy I didn't realise to what extent. Obviously we was going to blend the door and sort that out. We've got to do inside the door shut, so the door was going to come off. I was going to blend the door on a stand and get that all sorted. We'll come around the pillar and that'll all be done. Now I knew I had a ding, but it weren't until I've washed it that I've realised it's not just a ding now, it goes all the way around and it's a little bit mangled there. So I was going to leave the little ding, but now it's like that, I can't exactly make that all look nice and leave that. So I'm in a bit of a predicament. It looks like I'm going to have to repair the wing. So before I prime that rear quarter, I'm going to get my spotter out, we'll pull that wing straight, take care of them dents, get a little skim on it, block that down, so we're going to end up doing the wing as well. I need to try and keep the repair as small as possible. I don't really want to put new colour at the top. I'm going to have to come pretty close to the edge, but in all fairness the bumper is an off colour to the wing because it's from a different car. So where they've put the zetec stuff on this, the bumper is different regardless. So I'd rather it not have the dent there and all the way down through here. So we make that look nice. We're going to make the side look nice, so we may as well make that look right. So I'm going to start sanding that, get my spotter out, we'll start prepping that and try and keep the repair as small as we can, hopefully just out of this arch bit, and then we can get a bit of primer on that when we do the rear quarter. So I'm going to get on my spotter, get on my tools, and we'll get cracking with this one. See you in a mo. Right, there we go, as you just saw in the time lapse, pulled it all out, put one light skim of dolphin glaze on that for the minute. We'll block that straight, see what it looks like, give it another coat, and sort of hopefully should be it. But yeah, they come out quite easy, to be honest. Do love using that thing, it is a beaut. But yeah, I'm going to let that harden up, I'm going to have a little bit of lunch. Just had to muck around before I started doing that. Unburied Dave's van out of the yard, that's sold now, someone's took that. So it's lunchtime, I'm going to have some shepherd's pie today. We had some left over from last night, so I'm going to let that dry, have a bit of grub, and then we get back on it. See you in a sec. That's that repair complete. That's ready for a bit of primer now. That's all good. It looks like I've gone through there, but I haven't. It's just a very, very light skim. Yeah, 2 skims, got that into shape, got that where we needed it. So by the time that's had a bit of primer and blocked down, that should look lovely. What we've got to do now is remove the door, because we want to prime inside the door shut. So I'll pull the door off quickly. On Fiestas, we've got a little check strap down here, some 10mm bolts up there and down there on the hinge. Oh, on the plug as well, sorry. Someone's already been in now. Look, got white overspray on that. So I'll remove that now, pull the door off. We'll start cleaning it down a little bit and masking it up, and we'll get it ready for some primer. So yeah, I'll crack on, see you in a mo. Well, that didn't go according to plan. My other GoPro that I use for time lapse, the battery died about 4 seconds after I pushed the button and I didn't realise. So yeah, took the door off, started masking everything off, and yeah, it's all done, masked off, ready. But I had a few visitors and time has caught up with me, and it is 5:02, which is home time for me. I got to be home reasonably early tonight. I've been home late recently, and getting moaned at a little bit. So by the time I prime this and what have you, I'm not going to be home till about sort of 6:30, 7. So I'm going to leave it till the morning. I wanted to get it primed, but it is what it is. I had to repair that wing. That swallowed up a few hours to sort that out. But yeah, I've dashed around it, put a bit of etch primer on all the bare metal bits. So tomorrow we'll come in, clean down, hammer it in primer. I'll bake that off. Well, with a bit of luck, I'll be able to flat all that down and maybe get it painted. We'll see how we crack on. Yeah, shouldn't be a reason why I shouldn't be able to do that. So unfortunately, it hasn't planned out. I know I wanted it to. Panned, same for, yeah, I know what I mean. Yeah, we're finally getting there. I feel like it's nearly done. We've got a little bit more to sort, and then we'll be on the home stretch with this one. It's certainly turned into quite a big job. Weren't expecting to do that, all that, and I'm sure it'll be fine. It'll be a good little car in the end. That's all that matters. And we've got rid of all that bodge in there, which realistically, well, it shouldn't have even been there for starters. That's definite. But I feel a lot better now. It's got a proper quarter on it, and it's going to be an alright car. You can't never tell. This is the problem. See, this has had one recorded accident, and there's cars out there that are driving around and not recorded. God knows what they're like. It's just one of them things, unfortunately. Some people don't want to spend money and things get bodged. And yeah, the main damage, well, it's bad really. Some people get a bit funny about buying damaged repaired cars. If they've been repaired properly, no dramas. Welding a back panel on this and fixing it correctly is probably not much different to what any other body shop would do. All right, they might have used the new top section that I didn't replace, but it's one of them things. That's a proper repair, but bodging the rest of that with filler, as soon as I found it, you all knew anyway, it just weren't worth leaving. So I just feel a lot happier that that's done and done right. So yeah, we'll smash it tomorrow. You get an extra video. There's about 9 million videos on this. I don't know why it seems to be dragging on so long. It's because I'm not continuously working on it. Yeah, it's one of them things. We're all good. We'll sort it. So yeah, tomorrow should be an action-packed video, hopefully. So On that note, massive thanks for watching, and we'll see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.